Hey, so I just want to show you guys a quick tutorial. I don't usually make tutorial videos, but just for the sake of, good content, I see a lot of people screen recording stuff like VODs, or even worse, recording with a secondary device pointed at the screen. And I just want to show you, if you're on a niche website or something, like usually I use 4K video downloader to download stuff, but like a lot of the times it won't even parse the link, especially if it's on a niche website, or if you just simply don't want to pay for a license for a video downloader, which might not even work depending on the website. I'll show you how to download a video because it's not really black magic. If any video can be like decoded and put into memory and displayed on your screen, it can be decoded by a different type of program and just put right into storage. Like sometimes if you're lucky, you get a .mp4 that you can just directly download, but a lot of the times it'll be a blob link, and that's just to make it a little bit harder to download, but it's not impossible. You just pretty much need to get FFmpeg, so you just go to like the website and download the latest stable full version, and then once you download FFmpeg, you can put it pretty much anywhere. I put in FFmpeg, but you can put it in downloads or whatever. You go to advanced system settings, it's right here, and then you go to environment variables. You copy the bin folder of FFmpeg wherever it happens to be, and then you click new, and then you paste it here, but I already have it here, so there's no point. But once yours is added, now it's in your path, and you can use it within PowerShell in any folder. So whatever folder it happens to be, all you have to do is go to the website, type M3U8 in the filters for network, and then refresh the page. Sometimes you'll have to start playing the video for the M3U8s to pop up, but here, just let me download it directly. Also, really quick, in editing, I just realized I forgot to mention that you can check the quality, make sure you're getting the highest quality version before you start downloading the video. You can just drag whatever M3U8 you downloaded into VLC, or whatever you use, and then you can check in the video information, the metadata. It'll tell you if you're at the right resolution or whatever. That's just a quick tip to save time. And I'll put this command in the description, but you need to use a specific command with FFmpeg. And using FFmpeg is easy. There's no GUI, it's command line, but you just open it in terminal, and whatever the M3U8 happens to be, for example, this one is named rendition, and then your output could be whatever you want it. It'll just be the file name. But you just hit enter, and it'll start doing this. Oh yeah, I already have another file there, but I'm just gonna overwrite it. And if you're impatient, like how it says 57.ts, you can open this in Notepad, and you can see 154.ts, but sometimes it'll be .mp4 or something, but you can pretty much see when it's gonna end. But yeah, 154, and it's over. And you go here, and yeah, there's the whole video, the raw video. You don't have to screen record. And sometimes the audio and video will be split into different sources, like 2 different M3U8s, and it's pretty niche. I'll put an unlisted video on how to deal with that if that occurs in the description. So if you run into that, just check the description and there'll be a fix. Anyway, please like and subscribe if this made your life on the internet any more easier in any way. Usually a video being a blob link doesn't mean you're not supposed to download it, it's protected. Sometimes it's just how the networking works and how it's stored in the server. For example, if it's a muxed video, that's most commonly what you see that for. And all it basically does is just download a bunch of packets and stream them as it plays, and then FFmpeg just compiles them all into one MP4. All I could say is don't use it for copyrighted content, but I mean, I can't tell you what to do. Anyway, subscribe if you're based in epic and swag and cool and awesome.